Hello everyone, welcome to PB Maths. Today in this video, we are going to solve a problem which is based on laws of exponents. If you are interested to solve this problem, you can pause this video now and try to solve, or else let's begin to solve this problem. Here it is given that if 2a is equals to 3b is equals to 216, then find the value of ab divided by a plus b. So let's try to solve this problem. For that, let's write 2a is equals to 216 and this 3b is equals to 216. We will keep this 2a as it is. This 216 can be written as 6 to the power 3. Here also we will do the same. 3 to the power b is equals to 6 to the power 3. Further, this 6 to the power 3 can be rewritten as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3. That is using laws of exponents. If a into b to the whole power m is equals to a to the power m and b to the power m. In the same way, here also we will write 3 to the power b is equals to 2 to the power b times 3 to the power b. Now we will take this 2 to the power 3 to other side of the equal. Then we have 2 to the power a divided by 2 to the power 3 is equals to 3 to the power 3, or here we will write 3 to the power b divided by 3 to the power 3 is equals to 2 to the power 3. Further, we will write this as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. That means a to the power m minus n. Using that law, we can write this as 2 to the power a minus 3 is equals to 3 to the power 3. Here also, using the same law, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equals a to the power m minus n. We will write this as 3 to the power b minus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 3. Now let's take this equation. 2 to the power a minus 3 is equals to 3 to the power 3. Let's raise to power b minus 3 on both sides so that we can get equal bases on either side of the equal. So we are raising this expression to b minus 3 on either side of the equal. Then we get here a to the power m to the whole power n, which is equals to a to the power m into n. Based on this law, we will write this LHS as 2 to the power a minus 3 times b minus 3 is equals, here we will write 3 to the power 3 times b minus 3. We will retain this LHS part as it is. We can modify this RHS part using this law as 3 to the power b minus 3 to the whole power 3. Again, using this same law. Further, we will keep this LHS part as it is, 2 to the power a minus 3 times b minus 3. We know that 3 to the power b minus 3 is equals to, here, 2 to the power 3. So we will utilize this 3 to the power b minus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 3 at here, and we will substitute that as 2 to the power 3 to the whole power 3. Now again we will keep this LHS part as it is. which is equals to here a to the power m to the whole power n, which means a to the power m into n, which means here we get 2 to the power 3 into 3, that is 2 to the power 9. So can write this 2 to the power a minus 3 times b minus 3 is equals to 2 to the power 9. Now, on either side of the equal, bases are same. We know that if bases are same, we can equate these powers. So, let's equate these powers now. By equating the powers, we can write a minus 3 times b minus 3 is equals to 9. Let's simplify this LHS now. A into B we get AB. A into minus 3 we get minus 3A. Minus 3 into B we get minus 3B. Minus 3 into minus 3 we get plus 9 equals 9. We can cancel this 9 and 9 on either side of the equal. Then by shifting that negative 3A and negative 3B to other side, we get 3A plus 3B. So keep this AB as it is. Let's factor out 3 from these two terms. Then we have here A plus B. At last, we will write AB by A plus B is equals to 3. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.